Hi everybody, today I wanted to review this Black & Decker power screwdriver. It is a 20-piece set. Here's all the bits that it comes with. Drill bits and driver bits. And it came with 4 AA batteries. And you insert them in here in the back like so. I've replaced them already. I've used this quite a bit. It's been a great tool. I've used it around the house, for my RC hobbies, at work. It has 2 settings here, manual, so you can just lock it and drive it yourself, or power, so it'll drive forward with this button here, or drive out with that button there. You can back it out. And it's been great for doing everything. It has tons of torque. So right now I'm gonna drill through this ABS plastic here. Holy cow. Well, the batteries aren't the freshest. Let me see if I can get some. Okay, so we got some fresh batteries here. Let's pop those in. The inside's like. Okay. Let's see the difference now. Alright, much better. So there you have it. The Black & Decker power screwdriver retails for $20 at Canadian Tire. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.